Hello, it's Discover Labyrinths with Lars Hallett. Imagine a whole week devoted to the design, history, use, and study of labyrinths. It's Veriditas Labyrinth Summer School, and it's happening this July 24th to 29th in the San Francisco Bay Area at the beautiful Mercy Center in Burlingame, just 10 minutes from San Francisco International Airport. On July 24th, we have For the Love of Sacred Geometry with special guest, local artist Nancy Castile. Deepen your connection and appreciation for sacred geometry and learn how it creates space for the labyrinth experience. On July 25th, we're honoring thresholds with a contemplative workshop by Bridget Fitzgibbon. Through ritual, labyrinth walks, and creative collage, we'll explore threshold moments that bridge our interior and exterior realms. On July 26th to 27th is the Labyrinth Facilitator Training, where you can learn how to introduce the labyrinth to your community and lead group walks and workshops. On July 28th, it's For the Love of Classical Labyrinths with special guest Richard Feather Anderson. We'll explore the storied history and evolution of the classical labyrinth, the great-grandmother of all labyrinths. And on July 29th, it's For the Love of Chart Labyrinth. We'll immerse ourselves in the transcendent archetype of the chart design as we trace its saga and secrets through the stories and studies by modern-day disciples. So join us for one day or the whole week at a discount. For more information, visit veriditas.org/calendar, and I hope to see you on the path.